One other piece that's included with the grinder kit, I call it a uni-platen. It's basically it can be three different platens. It can be a flat platen if you have it on the grinder like this. You can use a 2-inch wheel like this. You can use a 6-inch or 8-inch wheel like this, and you can flip it all the way over, and you can use it as a slack belt. Right now I have a 1-inch by 6-inch wheel on it and a 1-inch by 2-inch wheel, and I'll show you how good and easy it is to use.